guys, Colonel Ninny here. This series of video tutorials is designed for the brand new player to IL-2's Battle of Stalingrad. It's a very realistic and complex flight sim, and there's a lot to learn to get good at it. And to help you get there faster, check out my channel. I have over 100 tutorials to help guide your progress to excellence. And this is mission 14 of the Lightning Strikes campaign. In this mission we're going to attack the Railyards at Siegburg, just on the other side of the Rhine. Inbound heading will be 090 and egress will be 251. Intel tells us that there are a lot of active airfields in the area and we can expect some fighter opposition as we get to the target. Weather is a heavy overcast, winds from the northwest at 6, and we'll have difficulty seeing because of light snow flurries. We'll be taking extra fuel because it's 70 kilometers back to friendly lines. Heading 072. Heading 072 through 5500 for 6000. So as the flight leader, I'm going to climb up from here to 8,000 feet because we're better off at higher altitude. If we do get jumped, we'll have more energy and we'll still be below the cloud layer. So I'm the flight lead. There's my guys behind me. Level at 8,000. There's a river down there. That's cool. Okay, definitely time to start looking out for fighters. And if we do get attacked, we'd like to keep our bombs if possible. But if we're actually in a dogfight, then we will drop them and fight the enemy. My squadron has seemed to have disappeared. I'm going to call them to get them back to me. There's a small town down there. There's an S-shaped lake. And there's our big lake over there. There's our lake, just the southern corner of it. So we're a little further south than we want to be, so we're going to head north. From here about 070 to the target. My guys are back with me now. And there's the Rhine River down there. We're just going to figure out where we are. There's an island and the very steep bow on the left. That's it. 090 from here. If you look at the map, this small river down here is going to lead us right to Sebring. Looking at the map, the town has the railway station right this set. Oh, I don't see anything. A lot of flak chasing us though. I don't see any rail targets. I'm just going to drop it on this stuff here. Although I did instruct my guys to attack the ground targets, I didn't see them attacking anything, and sometimes it just comes down to bad luck. Well guys, thanks for watching. Join me for mission 15. As always, if you've enjoyed this video, found it helpful, please like it or subscribe. Or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover, please leave a comment.